Today we've got a video that a lot of you have been requesting, which is the FTMO Challenge Explained for complete prop firm trading beginners. If you're into trading and you haven't heard about the FTMO Challenge, then you're in for a treat. I'll be pulling back the curtains to explain to you exactly how the FTMO Challenge works, why it's worth it, and how you can crack the code to succeed. So first things first, what exactly is FTMO and what is the FTMO Challenge? FTMO is a prop firm or funding company which offers traders a unique opportunity to showcase their trading skills in order to get a funded trading account and trade with their simulated trading capital. And the FTMO Challenge, on the other hand, is a test or evaluation which was designed by FTMO, which is one of the leading online prop firms in the world, to find disciplined and profitable traders. If you pass the test, they are going to give you access to a simulated funded trading account. When you trade and make profits on the account, they'll give you 80% of the profits you earn. Sounds amazing, right? But here's the kicker. It's not just about making profits. FTMO has strict rules which traders must follow in order to be eligible for those sweet profit payouts. Their two-step challenge has got specific rules and guidelines which you must adhere to during the evaluation process. These rules include maximum drawdown limits, daily loss limits, and minimum trading days. It's crucial to understand these FTMO rules inside out in order to maximize your chances of passing the FTMO Challenge. And just like any other online prop firm, FTMO's two-step evaluation process is meant to rigorously test your trading skills before allowing you to trade their simulated capital and go on to keep a significant portion of the profits you're able to make with it. Now, I know you're probably thinking if trading for a prop firm like FTMO is worth trying, right? Well, let me ask you this. If you could trade a $200,000 account without risking your own money and also earn 80% of the profits you make on that account, would you try it? For most Forex traders, the answer to that question is a no-brainer. And that's why prop firms have become a game changer for traders who are looking to scale their accounts or access substantial trading capital in order to finally turn their hard work and skills into life-changing profits. Here's a quick question for you. How serious are you about leveling up your trading game and becoming one of those consistently profitable Forex traders who are able to squeeze profits out of the Forex markets like a broken ATM machine? Well, if you're ready to stop spinning your wheels, guessing your way through trades, and finally cracking the code to earning consistent profits through Forex trading, then I've got something you're absolutely going to love. And guess what? It's absolutely free. I've spent months putting together a profitable Forex trading crash course, which is designed to help you go from being a struggling trader to becoming a consistently profitable Forex trader in a step-by-step manner. By the end of the course, you'll know exactly what you'll need to start and stop doing in order to join the ranks of the lucky few consistently profitable Forex traders who are able to squeeze profits out of the spot Forex market like a broken ATM machine. So what are you waiting for? Head on over to www.fxmindtricksacademy.com/blueprint to get free instant access to the crash course. It's time to start trading smarter, not harder, and finally achieve the results you've been working so hard for. Don't let this rare opportunity pass you by. Take action today and watch your trading game transform for the better. See you on the other side. Now that you know what FTMO is, let's quickly take a closer look at the FTMO Challenge. Just like I told you moments ago, the FTMO Challenge is a two-step evaluation process which is designed to discover talented traders from all over the world and enable them to manage a portfolio of assets under FTMO's proprietary trading firm. It's like the Trading Olympics, but instead of a gold medal, you're aiming for funded trading accounts. If you can prove your trading skills, discipline, and risk management abilities by passing FTMO's two-step evaluation, then they're going to provide you with a simulated funded account which you can trade and keep up to 90% of the profits you make. FTMO's two-step evaluation process is made up of two stages, the challenge phase and the verification phase. In the challenge phase, you'll be given specific trading objectives and risk parameters to prove your trading skills. If you successfully hit their challenge phase's profit target without breaching their drawdown rules, they are going to move you on to their verification phase, where you would be expected to replicate the success you demonstrated in the challenge phase to prove to them that you're truly a consistently profitable trader. In the past, FTMO had a 30 days time limit within which traders were expected to trade and hit their required profit targets without breaching their strict drawdown rules. However, this rule was later removed when no time limit challenges became the norm in the prop firm trading industry. Phase 1, which is also known as the challenge phase, is the first step in FTMO's two-step evaluation process. This is where you, as a trader, have to prove your mettle to FTMO's risk assessment team. After choosing an account size ranging from $10,000 to $200,000, you'll be given an unlimited time to trade and reach a 10% profit target. Sounds easy, right? But here's the catch. You can't lose more than 10% of your chosen account's starting balance throughout the evaluation, and you're also not expected to lose up to 5% of your evaluation account's starting balance on any given trading day. As you can see, FTMO's two-step evaluation wasn't just put in place to test your trading skills, but your discipline and risk management too. Remember, this isn't your typical trading challenge because FTMO is serious about finding traders who can consistently manage risk and place profitable trades. The FTMO challenge was deliberately designed to be tough so as to separate the pros from the amateur Forex traders. Phase 2, which is also known as the verification phase, is the second step in FTMO's two-step evaluation process. In this stage of FTMO's two-step evaluation process, you're expected to replicate the success you had in the challenge phase to prove that you're a consistently profitable trader. This is like the final interview after you've aced the written test. The rules for the verification stage are similar to the rules of the FTMO challenge. The profit target is reduced from 10% to 5%, but the drawdown rules remain the same. The verification stage is also where FTMO checks the consistency of your trading strategy. Once you're able to pass both the challenge and verification stages, FTMO is going to give you access to a funded FTMO account, which you can trade and start making real money from as a funded FTMO trader. And the best part, you'll get to keep 80% of the profits you make on your FTMO funded account. As you can see, the FTMO challenge is not just about proving your trading skills, it's about discipline, risk management, and consistency. It's about showing that not only can you make profits on a funded account, but you can also protect the capital you're trading with. It's also about demonstrating that you've got what it takes to trade like a consistently profitable Forex trader. So, what's the best strategy to pass the FTMO challenge? There's no one-size-fits-all answer, but here's what works. 1. Keep your risk low. Never risk more than 1 to 2% of your account per trade. 2. Focus on consistency. You don't need massive wins, you need steady profits. 3. Use a proven strategy. Whether it's price action, indicators, or a combination, make sure you've tested your approach before taking the challenge. And here's a pro tip. Treat the free trial FTMO offers as a full rehearsal. It's the perfect way to test your strategy under real conditions without risking your fee. Never forget that the journey to becoming an FTMO trader is not a sprint, it's a marathon. It requires patience, perseverance, and above all, a sound trading strategy. And there you have it, folks, the FTMO Challenge Explained. Are you ready to take on the challenge? Are you ready to take the first step towards becoming a funded FTMO trader? If you're up for the challenge, give it a shot and let us know how it goes in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like this video if you found it helpful. In the meantime, if you would like to learn exactly how to become a consistently profitable Forex trader using our simple 4-step profitable Forex trading secret formula, then click the video on the screen now. Until next time, happy trading!